What is going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at an advantage on the market. All right, you guys, so today's stock that we're breaking down is DOGECOIN, or DOGECOIN, however you want to pronounce it. This is the cryptocurrency, you guys. I did make a previous video about this yesterday on how we were going to pull back and for you guys to wait for a better entry to get in. If you guys are new to this channel, I break down hot trending stocks for you guys. So if you want me to break down a stock for you, just put it in the comment box below and I'll add it to the list on Monday morning. I usually don't make videos on the weekends, but since this is a really hyped up stock right now, and a lot of people are talking about it. My inbox is full for people asking me to break this down. So I went ahead and just decided to do this for you guys today. So show some love, hit that like and subscribe button, you guys, and let's go ahead and dive in. So these lines represent our major resistance and support lines. I had these set already yesterday, so as you can see, they worked out pretty nicely. I'll explain to you how I found them, and of course, you guys, we always want to start from a higher time frame and break down to a smaller time frame to find the best entry and target. The only problem with this specific stock, starting from a higher time frame, I'll show you right now. So what this is called is multiple time frame analysis, and basically just allows you to see the overall direction and picture that we're in. If we just started from a smaller time frame, we'll basically be trading in a vacuum, or ultimately trading blind and not be able to see everything that we need to see, that being previous price action movements. So like the problem with this specific stock, though, if we go to the daily, this is all the prior information that we have right here. There's not really much to go based off of, as let's say if I go to Apple and I start from the daily time frame and I zoom out, look at all this prior information that we have. We could go back for basically years to predict these levels and whatnot, but let's go back to DOGECOIN, and so that's it. We have these three engulfing candlesticks. Not really much to go based off of, but so we'll break down to a smaller time frame so we can kind of use that as our advantage. So we're going to the 1 hour interval, and we'll apply that. So this bottom line, like I said, represents our major support line, or our lowest level that has been tested multiple times. And we can see this by looking left, like Beyonce says. We have this candlestick that's underneath our support line. So basically right now, if it comes back into this area, it's going to work as resistance or have trouble breaking past this level. And if we keep looking left, we have these two candlesticks that are on the opposite side, which is the support side that we were discussing about. We keep going. We have one more on this side, and then ultimately the rest are back under working as resistance, and there's about 8 or 9 candlesticks hitting this area. So generally you want about 3 candlesticks in a major high or low area that you can test. And if you need more prior information, like I said, you can back test even further by going back further in time. But like I said, with this one, there's not really much to go base off of. Like I said, on the daily time frame, there's nothing really you can go based off of. So this top line, like I said, represents our major resistance. We can see these candlesticks that ultimately came up and got rejected. We have on the opposite side, we're working on support. We can see we have about 9 candlesticks. We see it came up, pulled back down to our support level, bounced off this level, ultimately gapped all the way down to our support level. And so that's basically our channel that we have right now. We can use this to predict our next move. So with this this is right here, this candlestick that we see. If you guys didn't know, cryptocurrency is open 24 hours, basically 7 days a week, as stocks only open from Monday to Friday and then close on the weekend. So if you are in cryptocurrency, you're able to trade this as much as you want, whenever you want, basically. So we have a hammer stick candlestick right now trying to break past this major resistance as of right now. I think the best entry that we could do is basically trying to look for an entry that best confirms the direction that we're headed. So as of right now, like I said, there's not a real clear direction besides this downtrend that we have when we're under resistance. So don't have FOMO, guys. The fear of missing out will end up hurting your account more than just gambling. So that's all it really is when you have no idea what you're looking at. So what we want to see is this to break above this major support line, to come up and come back down, pull back onto the support to further show that buyers are stepping up, and from there we can get an entry maybe around the 26 cents, and then put your stop loss back below maybe the 21 cent area. So if things do go sour, you'll be able to get tagged out of this order. And if you're holding long term, then this doesn't really apply to you, because you're just going to hold either way, no matter which way it fluctuates. But if you're day trading or scalping this, or even swing trading, this can be applied to you. But like I said, you don't want to get in something that we can see is in a clear downtrend. We want to wait for a further confirmation that buyers are stepping up. So once we can break past this minor or major support line, we can come back down, retest this level. That would be a good buy opportunity to have your entry set. When you get into any stock, you guys, you want to have a trading plan already in mind. That being your first target, your stop loss, and then your entry. So getting in right now would be FOMO. You'd be basically trying to get in because you're fearing that you're gonna be missing out on anything. But I want to be able to tell you guys that there's opportunities in the market every single day, any way you look at it. So don't ever have that. Don't get emotional in this market, because it will basically slap you in the face, and you could eventually hurt your portfolio. So that's basically what I'm trying to explain, is just wait for a further confirmation, you guys. Getting in right now would be really too risky. We're down 18%. And then obviously if we get that further confirmation and we're able to get in at this 25 cent level after we pull back onto this support, your first target would be back up here at the 33 cent level. And that should be for it, you guys. Ultimately, like I said, wait till we get a further confirmation that buyers are stepping up. As of right now, we're in this clear downtrend, so be careful, you guys. And ultimately, if you guys like the stocks that I break down, put some down below and I will check them out, and I'll add it to the list for Monday morning. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, you guys. And other than that, you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.